Imagine spending your entire childhood hearing just one thing: go to college, get a degree, and you'll have a high-paying job. This promise was repeated to us by schools, parents, and society as a whole. But what if I told you this is one of the biggest lies told to young people today? While education is important and some degrees hold value, the idea that a diploma alone guarantees financial success is outdated. In today's world, relying solely on formal education is a risky bet. The job market has changed, the economy is unpredictable, and more people than ever are realizing that financial security comes from something entirely different: learning real-world skills and creating opportunities for yourself. That's why if you're 18, 19, or 20 years old right now, the smartest thing you can do is start a side business. And not just any business, one that has the potential to completely change your financial future. Side business number 1. Faceless short-form content. Meet Daniel Bitten. He started using social media at 13 and, by 16, was making $500,000 per month. And the most impressive part, he doesn't even show his face. How? By creating faceless short-form content on platforms like Snapchat, YouTube Shorts, and TikTok. Right now, there's a war happening between social media platforms. TikTok exploded during the pandemic, and now YouTube, Instagram, and Snapchat are fighting to regain that attention. And their best strategy: paying creators huge amounts of money. Daniel spotted this opportunity early and built a content empire by repurposing existing videos, adding new voiceovers, and keeping his content highly engaging. The best part: you don't need a professional camera, expensive software, or years of experience. If you have a smartphone and internet access, you can start today. Side business number 2. Investing the right way. A lot of people don't think of investing as a side business, but let me show you why that's wrong. When done correctly, investing is a way to make your money work for you instead of the other way around. The best strategy: dollar cost averaging, investing a fixed amount every month, no matter what the market is doing. If you invested $200 per month for 40 years with an average annual return of 10%, you'd have over $1.2 million. But I know what you're thinking. I don't want to wait 40 years. And you don't have to. You should invest while also building a high-income side business. Side business number 3. Discord server management. Did you know people are making 6 figures just by managing communities on Discord? Chris Peters, a 19-year-old entrepreneur, makes over $100,000 per month doing exactly that. He started by helping creators and businesses build and manage their communities, offering value before charging for his services. And the demand for this is exploding. More and more companies and influencers are using Discord to create engaged communities, but most have no idea how to set it up properly. If you learn Discord's functions, set up automated moderation, and create engaging communities, you can charge premium prices for your expertise. Side business number 4. AI animation. AI is revolutionizing every industry, and one of the biggest opportunities right now is AI-powered animation. My animator, Mercy, earns between $8,000 and $10,000 per month using AI tools to create high-quality animations for YouTube channels, brands, and influencers. Tools like Midjourney, Runway, and Pika Labs can generate animations faster than ever, but most businesses don't know how to use them. If you learn to use these tools efficiently and combine them with storytelling, you can charge thousands per project. Let's be real. Not everyone has the privilege of going to college, and even those who do often graduate with thousands in debt and no clear job prospects. Meanwhile, some of the richest people in the world never even finished college. That's because success in today's economy isn't about degrees, it's about skills, adaptability, and the ability to create value. So today, I'm going to introduce you to 12 powerful side businesses you can start this year, no matter where you are in the world. But I won't just list generic ideas like start a blog or sell stuff on Etsy. I'll show you real examples of people already making serious money with these strategies. And to make this even more useful, I'll rank each business based on learning time, initial investment, and difficulty in making $1,000 per month. If you're serious about taking control of your financial future, stick with me because these are the side businesses that are actually making people rich in 2024. Side business number 5. High-ticket affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing has been around for years, but most people do it the wrong way, trying to sell cheap products that pay low commissions. The key to success is high-ticket products, meaning those that cost hundreds or even thousands of dollars per sale. Imagine earning a $500 or $1,000 commission from a single conversion. Platforms like Hotmart, ClickBank, and PartnerStack offer lucrative affiliate programs, and the most effective strategy is creating educational content to attract qualified buyers. People like Alex Hormozi have used this approach to make millions. The secret is finding a profitable niche, mastering paid or organic traffic, and building a loyal audience. Side business number 6, e-commerce automation. Selling products online doesn't mean you have to manage inventory or ship packages. With e-commerce automation, you can build online stores that run on autopilot. Models like dropshipping, print on demand, and even Amazon FBA allow you to outsource most of the work. Tools like Shopify and WooCommerce make store creation easy, while integrations with suppliers like CJ Dropshipping handle shipping. The key to success is finding winning products and learning to drive traffic using paid ads and digital marketing strategies. Side business number 7, copywriting for businesses. Every business needs to sell something, and the best way to sell is with persuasive words. Copywriting is the skill of writing text that converts visitors into customers, and professionals in this field are making between $5,000 and $20,000 per month. The best part, you only need a laptop and an internet connection to start. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr are great places to find your first clients, but the real money comes from working directly with businesses and building a solid reputation. If you learn copywriting, you'll always be in demand because businesses will always need to sell more. Side business number 8, remote customer support for startups. With the explosion of digital startups, many companies need customer support but don't want to hire full-time employees. This has created massive demand for remote support roles where you can get paid just for answering emails, managing chat support, and assisting customers. Companies like Shopify, Amazon, and various startups offer these opportunities. If you're fluent in multiple languages, your chances increase even more. Some people make between $3,000 and $7,000 per month just by offering remote support to international startups. Side business number 9, podcast production. Podcasts are growing faster than ever, and most creators don't have the time or skills to edit their own episodes. If you learn audio editing and podcast production, you can charge between $100 and $500 per episode. Tools like Audacity and Adobe Audition make this process simple, and you can find clients on sites like Upwork, Fiverr, or by reaching out directly to content creators. Some specialized agencies are making 6 figures per year just by editing and managing podcasts for clients. Side business number 10, AI voiceover and audiobooks. The demand for voiceovers is exploding with the rise of audiobooks, educational videos, and even artificial intelligence. Companies like Google and Amazon pay voice actors to train AI models, and there's growing demand for human voiceovers for dubbing and videos. If you have a good voice, you can record audiobooks or even set up a home studio to offer narration services. Platforms like ACX and Voices.com connect voice actors with clients willing to pay well for quality recordings. Side business number 11, social media management for local businesses. Small businesses need a digital presence, but most business owners don't know how to grow on Instagram, TikTok, or Facebook. If you learn to create content and engage audiences, you can charge between $500 and $3,000 per month to manage social media for local businesses. All you need is a smartphone, basic design skills with Canva, and knowledge of organic growth and paid ads. Many entrepreneurs start by offering this service for free to gain experience and then start charging premium prices. Side business number 12, YouTube automation cash cow channels. Starting a YouTube channel doesn't mean you have to be on camera. YouTube automation, or cash cow channels, is a model where you outsource scripts, editing, and voiceovers to produce high-quality videos in lucrative niches. Many channels are making between $10,000 and $50,000 per month just from monetization and brand deals. The secret is choosing a profitable niche, creating consistent videos, and optimizing for the algorithm. The biggest mistake young people make is waiting too long to start. You don't have to be a genius. You just have to take action.